background song for your video.
Alright.
Wait, that's a picture of us.
Richie.
Can you take a picture of them?
Richie Havens says.
Oh.
Is this Neighbors?
No, it's Richie Havens.
Freedom. This song's called Freedom.
By a man with no teeth.
Richie said.
Get off the grass.
He looks silly.
Is this like the one this one?
Richie Havens says he made up the lyrics of the song shortly before going on stage.
Really?
That he had to fill time.
Right. I knew that.
He just made up the lyrics of the song.
So this is a song that never been played before?
Never been played before. That's what he says, Richie Havens. I believe him.
Melissa, she's polite. She's polite. You're annoying. So weird. Wait, here.
Laura's reaction here. I want to watch Laura's gonna like scream here.
I feel like I'm gonna try. Sometimes I feel like a mother's cry.
Underwater, Laura. You gotta go in the pool.
Oh yeah, Laura, go stand up and step in the pool. Yeah, way over there.
Oh my god, I like when I'm trying to type in dog and Roman candle.
Nobody else is doing them.
You know what I did, Jess?